Namaste, Vidya. Shada Khushro, Vidya. Myself, Dr. Balraj Singh, uh, Department of Dragoon, Faculty of Arabic, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Krishna Jirak. In last session we discussed about Jirak. Then Krishna Jirak is Karam Karvi, family name is APSC and full is Shakti and the Hindi name is Kala Jira. Then we discuss about synonyms and its meaning. Firstly, Krishna Jirak. The seeds resemble like Jirak and black in color, so it is called Krishna Jirak. Sugandha having pleasant smell. Udgar Shodhan, that which relieves Udgar or belching by its deepening action. So it is called Udgar Shodhan. Jarana having deepened property, so it is called Jarana. Kan Jirak, same like Jirak, grain. Kashmir Jirak grow in Kashmir. Varsha Kali, Kalpeshik, the seeds having black color. And Bahugam, the strong aromatic smell. Bhedini, having Bhedini property. Rucha, improved taste, so it is called Rucha. Neel, Neelkarn, Vankali, the grains are dark in color, so it is called Neelkarn and Vankali. Dant Shodhini, useful in dental diseases. Hridaya, useful in heart diseases. Kala Jirak, like Jirak, but coloring black in color. Habitat Utpatti Sthan distributed Kashmir, Garhwal, 9,000 to 12,000 feet and western and northern Asia, often under cultivation. Habit Swarup, a biennial forming a taproot and perhaps occasionally a perennial stalk. Stem erect, branches 35 to 60 centimeters. High leaves with a rather long sheathing foot stalk, pinnate with several pairs of segments, which are sessile but once or twice pinnate with short linear lobes in a leaf of 6 to 8 centimeters. The lowest or next to the lowest segment are about 3 by 4 of centimeter long, the other diminishing gradually to the top. Upper leaves is smaller and is divided umbels of about 8 to 10 rays, either without in vouchers and with one or two small linear brackets. Carpels, commonly called carved seeds, about 5 mm long, linear, oblong, and usually curved with rib prominent. उपयुक्त अंग part use फल and बीज. Description of the part: oblong, laterally compressed and slightly curved, fruit up to 5 mm long and 1.5 mm broad, tapering towards both ends. The mericarp is yellow brown in color and shows 5 equal sides with 5 narrow ridges, which are very distinct endosperm, brown and somewhat oily. Order characteristics test pungence. The properties of Krishnajirek is Ras Katu, Virya Ushna, Gun Laghu and Roksh Vipak is Katu. Dosh Karmta Kaf Vachama. Rogam Karmta pharmacology actions that deepen Sangrahi, Medhya and Garbhashya Vishuddhi, Jwaragnu, Pachan, Vrashya, Balya, Ruchya, Chakshushya, Unmadnut, Gulmadnu, Shardi Nigrahan, Vatanuloman, Stanya Janan, Jeen Jwaragnu, Udar Shulhar and Atisar Har. And then talk about Amlik Priyog, therapeutic uses, that is the arc prepared for Prashnajirek is used in children to relieve the vat in abdomen. It is also used as an anupan for other medications. The oil is used to give pleasant smell for the other medicines. The quat prepared out of Krishnajirek is used for giving formation and inflammation of arshas. In Vishamjwar, Krishnajirek is given with equal quantity of good. Matra, dose Churan 1 to 3 gram, औषध योग formulations, Jirkadya Rist and Jirkadya Modak. Modern pharmacology, Caraway. Caraway is an aromatic carminative used as caraway water in the treatment of flatulent colic in infants. Caraway water is suitable vehicle for children's mixture. Chemical compositions, essential oil, carbon and carbyl oil and substitutes and adulterants, fruits of Bunium persicum and Carum bulbocastranum, Kala Jeera or Shimai shirnagam is commonly used as substitute. The fruits of the species are larger in size, darker in color, and semi-straight in size, shape, and carry a heavy, spicy odor. The two ventral vitae in Bunium persicum are of carum cavi, where dorsal and ventral vitae are the same size. Colored foods of Carium cyminum are sometimes found and adulterated in commercial centers. Then Bhaprakash Nigantu classical reference says that कृष्ण जीरा है सुगंध है तदेव उद्गार शोधन है काला आजादी तू सुश्वी कालिका च उत्कालिका पृथ्वीका कार्वी पृथ्वी पृथु कृष्णा उत्कुंचिका उत्कुंची च कुंची बृहत् जीरक इत्यपि कृष्णा आजादी तू झरना सुगंध कृष्ण जीरक काश्मीर जीरका वर्षा काली श्यात कालपेशिका झरना कटुर उष्णा कफ शोध निक्रमकरी रुचा अग्नि गुरग्नि जय चक्षुषा ग्रहणी परा. This is also Dhanvantari Nigantu mentions. This is all about Krishna Jirak. Now we talk about Manjista. Botanical name of Manjista is Rubia cordifolia. Family name is Rubiaceae. This is the both are important, so you should remember all both of this. Full Manjista full and Charak mentions Manjista in Varne, Mahakashaya, Vishakni Mahakashaya and Jwarhar Mahakashaya. This is very important. Charak mentions Manjista in Jwarhar Mahakashaya, Varne Mahakashaya and Vishakni Mahakashaya. And Shushut mentions Manjista in Pringavadadi Mahakashaya and Pittisam Shishumangal. प्रिंगवदादी गण एंड पित्त संचमन वर्ग हिंदी मंजीठ या अपन बोलते हैं मंजीठा ऐसे एंड द पर्याय और सिनोनिम्स ऑफ मंजिस्टर एंड इट्स मीनिंग इज मंजिष्ठा विक्सा समंगा योजनवल्ली a reputed drug for purifying blood, so it is called Manjistha. And Bandit ki Bandi, an expensive spreading climber or the color resembling the back pot. Bandit ki Bandi, Bandiri. And Kalmeshika, roots are black or completely dried. And Mandupani, it is spreading like Mandupani. Rasayani, a blood purifier which maintains normal health. Aruna ractistica, the stems are red in color. Kala, the dried roots are black. Tangi, the roots is red when fresh. Gandhiri elevates glandular swelling. Manjusha, purify the blood and gives complexion to the body. Vastra Ranjini, used for dyeing cloths. Chitrapani, leaves arranged in circles. Jwarhantri acts as an antipyretic or relieves fever. Tamramula, coppery when half dried. Main features: a climber spreading extensively, the stems are reddish, the leaves are arranged circularly, the roots are red when fresh, coppery when half dried, and black when completely dried. It is reputed blood purifier, elevates glandular enlargement, and is useful in antipyretic. Habitat Utpatti Sthan throughout the hilly portion of India and on the Himalaya up to 8,000 feet. Habit Swarup, a perennial climbing herb with long cylindrical roots, branches stout, retrocellly scarabed or glabrous. Leaves four in a wall, two often larger with longer petioles, 1.5 to 4 inches long, ovate, cordate, acuate, scorbate, and smooth. Nerves 3 to 7 from the base, prominent and usually scaly scabbard venet. Petiole 2 to 4 inches long. The upper leaves often acuate at the base and with shorter petioles. Flower minute 5 narrow dark red, arranged in terminal cymose panicles. The branches 3 cotomose spreading with opposite sessile. Leaf-like, cordate bracket, calyx tube globulus glabrous. Limb obsolete, corolla tube very short, lobes 5, ovate acuate, their tips incurved, anther globose, fruit, bidymos or globose, smooth dark purple when ripe. Upyukt ang part used is mool, and a description of the part, heartwood and cylindrical root or its transversely cut pieces of different sizes and 1 centimeter in diameter. Outer surface is smooth, faintly striated longitudinally, rusty brown in color. Transversely cut pieces show a closely adhering bark, followed by a reddish-brown tissue full of minute pores and a hollow center. Fracture short, odor slightly spicy. Test: saltish and bitter after test. Now talk about gun or properties. Firstly, Ras, Kashachit Madhur, Virya is Yushna, Gun Guru, and Vipak Katu. Dosh Karmta Kapit Shamak, pharmacological actions or Ogan Karmta is Swarya, Varnya, Vishagna, Kafagna, Shothagna, Yoni Roghar, Netrahit, Karn Roghar, Karn Shulhar, Raktatisar Har, Pustagna, Rakt Doshar, Visarpagn, Varnaropan, and Permeagn. All about pharmacological reaction. Now, Amik Priyog therapeutic uses. Manjistadi Quat is useful in skin diseases. It enhances the blood flow of the part that helps in relieving the disease. It is also useful in Vatrakta, Dadru, Kandu, Switra, and Vyang. Manjista is used with Ishwari Mool, Pippali Mool, etc. in Garbhashya Sankochak and for Garbhashya Shuddhi after delivery. In Ashmari, the Churan is given a dose of 1 gram 3 times a day. All type of Ashmari gets broken and expelled. In Prame, a quath is prepared with Manjista and Chandan is given. In chronic skin diseases like Vyang, Switra, Dadru, Manjista is ground with honey and applied. It is ground with lodra and chandan and applied in Visarth in Asthibhang, a quath prepared with Mandista, Arjun, Madhuyasti and Sugandhwala and given internally. A paste prepared from the same drug are applied externally. In Agni Dag, the Vran burn in breath is prepared with Mandista, Rakt Chandan and Murva is applied on the wound. It is useful in Rajyakshma, Atisar, Antrik Sathilya and Gene Atisar and Durgand. Matra dose churn 2 to 4 gram, Quat 50 to 100 ml. Aushadhiyo formulations Manjista di Quat, Mahamanjista di Quat, Manjista di Ark, Arvinda Sav, Ashwanda Rest, Ushira Sav, Chandana Sav, and Brat Manjista di Quat, Manjista di Tail, and Khadira di Guptika. These all are formulations of Manchester. Chemical constituents as glycosides. Substitute and adulterations. The material is sometimes adulterated with pieces of plants which are somewhat quadrangular and have a smooth greenish yellow outer surface. The material originating from the Sikkim and northwestern hills consists of the root of Rubia sikkimensis. It has a rough and fluted appearance differing from the round, smooth roots of Rubia cordifolia. As per the classical text Nightu of Ayurveda, the root of Manjista is useful part, but some scholars say the stem also can be used. In the Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India, Part 1, Volume 3, page 122, the stem of Manjista has been explained in detail with description of the stem. Now talk about classical reference. Bhavaprakash Nigantu says Manjista, Riksa, Jingi, Samanga, Kalmeshika, Mandukparni, Bandiri, Bandi, Yojanvalliyati, Rasayana, Aruna, Kala, Raktangi, Rakyastika, Banditaki, Jai Gandhiri, Manjusa, Vastra Nanjini, Manjista, Madura, Tikta, Kashaya, Swar Varankat, Guru Rushna, Visleshan, Sot Yojakshati, Pran Ruk, Rakta Tisar, Kustastra Visark Varan Mehanut. This is classical reference of Bhagavash Nigantu. Today in these sessions we talk about Krishna Jira and Manjista. Both are important topics. You should always learn both the topics and importantly the botanical name and family name and all about synonyms and Utpatti Sthan, habit and habitat also and properties and pharmacological actions, therapeutic uses, formulations, doses and or formulations also. You should know about adulterations and substitute also and one classical reference. So children's today's sessions is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University Jaipur Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with these sessions. If you have any query or any problem with these sessions, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.